Elon Musk has just weaponized the frontier space by unleashing Grok 4.5, sending shockwaves directly into OpenAI and Anthropic's corporate headquarters. This fresh model architecture delivers full opus level intelligence while operating at blistering processing speeds and a fraction of current market costs. Simultaneously, China's Minimax is finalizing a massive 2.7 trillion parameter open weight system. While ByteDance deploys Seed Realm 5.0 Pro for advanced visual layout execution. Watch until the absolute end because this global semiconductor and algorithmic warfare is fully running on autopilot. The structural framework of artificial intelligence has encountered an immense commercial disruption as SpaceX AI officially rules out Grok 4.5 immediately following its high-profile public listing. Positioned explicitly as an enterprise workhorse for code generation, software compilation, and complex routine knowledge automation. Its primary competitor, Mount, is an unyielding two-fold increase in token efficiency, aggressively priced at $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens. Grok 4.5 points undercuts Anthropic's Opus 4.7 and OpenAI's Soar by more than half, forcing a massive margin compression across the entire closed source API landscape. This operational timing is surgical, landing precisely alongside the highly anticipated global deployment of OpenAI's GPT 5.6. While American companies are locked in a fierce price and latency race, Chinese deep tech networks are expanding along a completely different trajectory. Minimax is actively compiling a monumental 2.7 trillion parameter open weight language model scheduled for a third quarter release, establishing the largest open source alternative on Earth. This immense architectural scale is engineered specifically to facilitate long horizon autonomous workflows, enabling agentic frameworks to process over 50 multi-step operations without encountering historical memory decay or context drifting. The internal tech race within China is accelerating rapidly, with Meituan's Longcat 2.0 and DeepSeek's V4 Pro leading the domestic cluster at 1.6 trillion parameters. Minimax utilizes a highly sophisticated mixture of experts MOE routing topology, ensuring that only specialized subnetworks activate per queue, preserving compute power while maintaining mid-size latency metrics. On the multimodal front, ByteDance has deployed Seedrium 5.0 Pro into the Volcano ARC ecosystem, pricing commercial image outputs at roughly 4 US cents, showing incredible structural rendering capabilities for graphic designers and enterprise advertising pipelines. Meanwhile, Meta is rewriting global privacy boundaries by embedding its Muse model into Instagram, allowing public accounts to have their photos and reels automatically harvested and remixed by external AI agents by default. Simultaneously, OpenAI has launched GPT-5, a conversational voice layer running on its latest 5.5 frontier core that processes voice inputs dynamically, allowing real-time interruption, multi-step tool execution, and subtle human-like verbal acknowledgments. This rapid integration confirms that advanced models are transitioning from isolated software tools into permanent infrastructure layers, shaping sovereign data and global commerce. The defining cliffhanger is set. Will Musk's aggressive token pricing and China's multi-trillion parameter open weight models completely dismantle the dominance of closed American ecosystems? Or will Meta bold default data harvesting spark an unprecedented privacy backlash? Drop your analysis in the comments below. Subscribe to AI Revolution. Smash that like button and turn on all notifications to join our elite journey. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.